Today I'll be showing you how to make this lip balm at home, and just look at how good it looks on my lips. It looks really nice. So we're going to be using very few ingredients for this lip balm, and it's very easy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here at Midex Formulation School, I share tips, tricks, free recipes that will help you on your cosmetic formulation journey. So if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. So the ingredients we're going to be using for this lip balm are very easy to get ingredients, which you would already have at home. If you're a hair formulator or skincare formulator, any type of formulator, you should have these ingredients at home. They are very easy to get. So the first thing I'll put inside the beaker is the beeswax, and to get the exact measurements I shared it on my Telegram channel, so just click the link in the description box to get it. And the next time I'm following my oil. So the thing is that it's not compulsory you follow exactly like what I say. You can decide to take your formula, or you can decide to use other oils depending on the benefits you like. So I'm going to be adding all the ingredients in the recipe, and then I'll be that minus the vitamin E and the essential oil, which is sensitive. So I will add everything and I would put it in a double boiler so that it can melt. Now it is time to put it in a double boiler, and then I will show you how it looks like after bringing it out from the double boiler. So make sure it melts till it looks like oil. I've had to try it. So yeah, I'm back, and look at how it looks like. It has turned liquid. So the next thing I'm going to add is my it's sensitive ingredients, my vitamin E and essential oil. So make sure as you're adding it, like when you're adding the oil to the already hot mixture, so make sure you mix it. And this essential oil smells so good. Like it smells so nice. It really smells good. So pick an essential oil that is not that the smell is not really choky, and that will smell really nice, something that you like. So the next thing is actually to pour it into my container. You need to pour it immediately, if not the starts already fine. This is how it looks like, and what I just need to do is separate it so that it is solidified. So I'll just put it somewhere, and then after a while, so look at this, after a while the lip balm is already solidified, and this is how it is, and it's so nice. Let me put it on my hand so that you see it. And this lip balm is going to be very moisturizing, and it will last. Okay, let me take a bigger amount. It's going to last, right? So I don't know if you can. I'm dark. Okay, let me take more. And I don't know if you can see it. So it's going to really last. So nice. So that is it. So that's our lip balm. So I just finished using the lip balm, and this is how it looks like on my lips. This one without color. And it looks so nice. It looks really good, and I know that this will last. And I actually prefer this to most of all these balms I buy outside, because it doesn't last for a long time and all. And this is 100% safe. So if you mistakenly leak it, these are things that can be eatable, that is eatable in normal day. So try it out and let me know what you think. And as I said, you can explore with natural colorants. Like, change the ingredients, just try different things and see how it works for you. Thank you.